Don't look at me. Work.
Right.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Right. I'm done.
There you go, there. Keep it on high.
Welcome back to Keep It On High. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. So I've documented this new construction custom build that's been done by Capstone Construction, all with drones. I've completely filmed each stage up to now. So if you missed any stage of this build, feel free to check them out on my channel. You keep it on high, go ahead and watch it. And I'll keep it on high and keep making videos. We've seen land be cleared, the concrete prep, the concrete pour, the framing, the roof, the door and window installation. I couldn't think of a better video to combine two videos. I'll be showing the HVAC installation. So yes, I'm gonna fly up in the attic and I'm gonna show you the recap of that. And then I'm gonna show you the process of the installation being installed, because you definitely want to keep all this heat and warmth in the house when it's cold like it is today. So let's check it out. Here's the insulation.
There you go, there. Keep it on high. Hey, don't stop. Keep it on high, baby.